Welcome to my channel. I'm Stella. I happened to watch egg fried rice video in BBC, and I watched Uncle Roger's review as well. I'm also pretty shocked that Hersha actually washed the rice in running water. That's not how the rice should be cooked. I realized that still a lot of people don't know how to make a rice and egg fried rice. So I decided to show you how to do it. So let's dive in. Put 1 cup of rice in a bowl and pour a water slightly over it, and wash them using a hand. The water will get cloudy right away. Then drain them into another bowl. Repeat this process 3 times because we have to remove any kinds of impurities in the rice. However, if you wash them too much, the nutrients in the rice will wash away as well. And I'll transfer the washed rice into a rice cooker. If you don't have a rice cooker, please check my video titled Bean Sprouts Rice. You'll see how to make a steamed rice using a pot. Put 1.5 cup of water into a rice cooker. Close the lid and I'll use a white rice mold. It'll take about 30 minutes. When time's up, open the lid and check the rice. See how beautiful this is. It is so white and glowing. When they're done, flip them over to the other side. And then, let's chop up the spring onion. I'll only use the green part because it looks beautiful when they're made. And I'll crush 2 eggs and remove chalasa from it. Sprinkle a pinch of salt and whisk it all together. I'll also add shrimp in an egg fried rice because I like it. Season them with a cooking wine and pepper and leave this for 15 minutes. Pour ample amount of oil in a pan and add a sliced spring onion. Let them fry for 3 minutes in a medium heat. The flavor of spring onion will come up. And add a shrimp inside and stir them for 3 minutes. If you use a frozen shrimp, you better take more time to fry it. And pour an egg mixture on it. Break them with a wooden spoon and put a steamed rice and oyster sauce. Stir them all together for 4 minutes. And add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil to enhance the flavor. Stir them for 1 more minute and place them on a dish. There's nothing to it, right? It's easy and breezy. Please hashtag my recipe in your Instagram or Twitter and subscribe my channel for more inspiration and ideas. See you in the next video. Bye bye!